As some bluegrass school districts reevaluate their mask policies, parents and teachers in Bourbon County are offering their opinions. The school system releasing poll results today. 68% of parents and 82% of teachers say they want to continue the current masking rules, which mean masks are worn when the county's COVID incidence rate is high. Fewer people wanted masks to be optional all the time.